Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss out on awesome product reviews that could literally save your life. Or at least your eyebrows. Today, we're diving into one of the smartest little lifesavers you can plug into your wall. The IQYEF 5-in-1 Smoke Carbon Monoxide Detector. And let me tell you, it's not your grandma's fire alarm. Stay tuned, because this gadget is packed with features that'll blow your mind. Let's be honest, no one plans to have a gas leak, a fire, or a CO incident. But you know what else no one plans for? The moment your in-laws visit and your smoke detector goes full banshee during brunch. Enter the IQYEF 5-in-1 Smoke Carbon Monoxide Detector. The Swiss Army knife of home safety, except it won't accidentally stab you. What makes this 5-in-1 gadget smarter than your ex? This isn't just any smoke carbon monoxide detector. Oh no, this beauty sniffs out carbon monoxide, the silent ninja of doom. Smoke, obviously, natural gas and other combustibles, methane, propane, butane, basically a BBQ's worst nightmare, temperature humidity. Yes, even your sweaty living room during summer. Basically, if your home environment starts acting like a reality show, dramatic, unstable, and a little gassy, this thing knows. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel, plug, play, and panic. Less IQYEF made installation easier than explaining memes to your parents. Just plug it into any 100V 240V AC outlet and boom, 24/7 protection. Whether you're in your kitchen, bedroom, basement, or Airbnb-ing in an RV like a digital nomad with commitment issues, you're covered. When the power goes out, it stays on, like that one friend at parties. Thanks to its rechargeable 3000 mAh lithium battery, this smoke carbon monoxide detector doesn't throw in the towel during a blackout. It runs for 24 hours straight without electricity, longer than your phone's battery and your patience. No disposable batteries, no last-minute store runs, no "oops, I forgot" guilt. Just smart, seamless protection. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel HD Screen. Like a smartwatch for your walls with its 2.1-inch HD digital display, you'll see everything. CO levels, in big scary numbers, smoke and gas warning icons, humidity, and temperature power and alarm status. It's like a weather channel, and a safety expert had a baby and mounted it on your wall. 85 decibels of wake up now. When things go sideways, this detector doesn't whisper. It shouts loudly. At 85 dB, it's louder than your toddler during a tantrum, your blender on puree, and your boss on deadline day. Why it's better than every other detector on Amazon Other Detectors. One-trick ponies. Die when the power goes out. Look like sad plastic pancakes. IQYEF's 5-in-1 model. Detects everything. Keeps running like the Terminator. Shows data on a fancy screen, like it's hosting a TED Talk. In short, other detectors might warn you. This one basically becomes your home's personal bodyguard. Final thoughts, aka why you should click buy now before someone else does. Let's be real. Safety is no joke. But that doesn't mean your detector has to be boring. The IQYEF Smoke Carbon Monoxide Detector makes safety smart, stylish, and even a little fun. We said a little. It's not going to tell jokes, okay? So, if you like, breathing, not exploding, waking up in time to avoid disaster, then yeah, you're gonna want this. Buy it now or your future self will haunt you from the afterlife saying, "Told you so." Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want more fun, honest reviews of products that matter, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of products you'd like to see reviewed next. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't forget, the link to this life-saving gadget is in the description below. See you in the next one.